What's going on, everybody? Your boy Dickey here. Now, I just got finished watching WWE Raw, and tonight was supposed to be their post Royal Rumble show, as the pay per view was last night. So I was expecting 3 hours of sports entertainment slash professional wrestling to start setting up for the February pay per view, Fastlane. What I got was a replay of the World Heavyweight Championship match from last night and the Royal Rumble match from last night. Not that there's anything wrong with seeing that on over the air television, but I wasn't expecting that. I'm just surprised. Now, I didn't realize that a travel ban slash warning had gone into effect because of an impending blizzard that was supposed to hit the eastern United States and parts of Canada. I heard about Halifax, Nova Scotia getting a lot of snow, getting hit with a whole bunch of it. And from the live broadcast emanating from WWE headquarters in Stamford, Connecticut tonight, I saw that it was covered in nothing but the white stuff. So the travel warning slash ban is well warranted. And if you are in the eastern US or even parts of Canada that are getting hit with a large amount of snow, because that was supposedly supposed to happen and has already started, stay warm, stay inside. Just, here's to hoping that we can all laugh about it tomorrow and that it all passes without too much damage. But those are just my thoughts, because I was surprised at the fact that Raw was actually not live and it wasn't really much of a post Royal Rumble show at all. But I understand why. So maybe we'll just have to wait till Thursday and SmackDown to see all the Royal Rumble fallout from the pay-per-view. But those are just my thoughts. I was surprised. That's all. And stay warm, stay safe, and hopefully tomorrow we can all laugh about this blizzard that is or is not. But until next time, this is Dickey signing off. Peace.